Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see mini Badusha. First we used 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, and then I added 4 spoon of ghee, 4 tablespoon of ghee, and then I added pinch of salt. Once you added a ghee, the flour should be like this. If you make it like a ball, it should be still like this, and then we can make it as a powder. Now I'm going to add curd, milk, and some powdered sugar. I took curd, 1 small cup of curd and 1 small cup of milk, and then little bit of sugar. First I'm adding the powder sugar and mix it fully, and then add little bit of curd. And then now I'm going to add a milk. You need to add little by little. Some more milk. We should not knead the dough like a chapati. We should knead it very softly. Now the dough is ready. We did not knead it very harder. I made it like little softer. So we need to wait for next 30 minutes. Before waiting on top, we just need to apply a ghee so that the dough will be a little some more softer to make the mini badusha. Now these needs to rest for next 30 minutes. With that dough, we made it into small balls because today we are making mini badusha. So by the time when you're making the dough in 30 minutes, we made a sugar syrup. It should be in the, can you see the string? So it should be in that consistency, the sugar syrup. So I added saffron to the sugar syrup. Now in the next stove, the oil is getting warm. You have to keep it in mild. Once the smaller one, we need to start adding. First we have to check the oil is hot, and then start adding the smaller one. It will come once it's cooked, right? It will come up. See, now everything is coming up. So that's once it's started cooking means it will come up, and then the bottom you can see the color changes. Now you can see the edges color started changing. So now we need to turn it to the other side. You can see the color difference turned one, and then now you need to cook both the sides. Now it's cooked both the sides. The sugar syrup will be warm. With this hot, immediately we need to put it to the sugar syrup so that it won't be crispy. It will be soft if it is soaked on sugar syrup with the hot like. Immediately I'm transferring to the sugar syrup one. So you need to use the smaller one, but I use the bigger one. So you just need to turn both the sides so that it will soak properly. It's soaked for 5 minutes. Now for the action, I'm just adding the almond badam. You can add pistachio, so it will stick with that stickiness because of that sugar syrup, right? It's sticky. So now that yummy mini badusha is ready. Like, share, subscribe.